What happens if a shark bites an underwater internet cable? How do we fix it? More importantly, how do we find exactly where the cable is broken in the vast ocean? In this video, we'll explore the hidden network of undersea cables that manage the internet traffic we use daily, but rarely see. Welcome back to my channel. The undersea cable network is so extensive that it connects all continents. These cables are buried at depths of up to 8,000 meters, where the pressure is comparable to having an African elephant standing on your smallest toe. The smallest segment of an undersea cable runs under the Black Sea between Azerbaijan and Turkey, spanning around 300 kilometers. The longest segment, the Maria cable, stretches 6,600 kilometers from Virginia Beach, USA, across the Atlantic Ocean to Bilbao, Spain. Globally, the total length of undersea cables exceeds 1.4 million kilometers. To put this in perspective, if these cables were wrapped around every planet and moon in our solar system, there would still be enough left to circle the Earth twice. Laying these cables is no small feat. Just installing 1 kilometer of submarine cable costs up to 2.5 million USD. Imagine the cost for 1.4 million kilometers. Why go through all this trouble when satellites can provide wireless connectivity? There are 493 submarine cables worldwide, each capable of handling 4,000 terabits of data per second. To illustrate, a single cable can stream 4K movies for 80 million people simultaneously. In contrast, a satellite can only handle 24,000 simultaneous viewers of a 4K movie. Meeting global demand would require deploying many more satellites, which is more expensive and challenging to maintain. Replacing a faulty satellite could cost up to 40 million USD, making the extensive undersea cable network a more viable option. These undersea highways carry millions of gigabytes of data constantly. Although the cables appear thin, they are capable of handling huge amounts of data. A typical cable might look like a hose, but the actual fiber optic cable inside is as thin as a human hair. The core of this fiber optic cable, made from glass or plastic, transmits light that carries data in tiny packets.